Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious bread rolls using your air fryer. First, gather all your ingredients: flour, yeast, sugar, salt, warm water, and a little oil. Next, activate your yeast by dissolving it in about 1/2 cup of warm water with a pinch of sugar. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes until it becomes foamy. Then, combine your dry ingredients in a large bowl before incorporating the activated yeast mixture. Once your ingredients are combined, mix them until a shaggy dough forms. Turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface and begin kneading. Knead for about 8 to 10 minutes, working the dough until it feels smooth and elastic. After kneading, place the dough in a lightly greased bowl, cover it, and let it rise in a warm place for approximately 1 hour, or until it has doubled in size. Now that your dough has risen, gently punch it down and divide it into 12 equal pieces. Each piece should weigh approximately 2 ounces. Take each piece and shape it into a smooth, round roll by tucking the edges underneath. Arrange the shaped rolls in your air fryer basket, ensuring there is enough space between each one. Cover them and let them rise for a second time for about 30 minutes. Finally, it's time to air fry your delicious rolls. Preheat your air fryer to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes. Carefully place the proofed rolls into the preheated basket, making sure not to overcrowd them. Air fry in batches for 8 to 10 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown. For an extra touch, brush the warm rolls with melted butter before serving. Enjoy your homemade air fryer bread rolls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.